Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a lychee cocktail. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 1 cup of fresh or canned lychees, 2 ounces of vodka, and 1 ounce of fresh lime juice. Don't forget a ½ ounce of simple syrup and plenty of ice. These simple components will create a wonderfully refreshing drink in no time. Let's get started with the preparation. Now let's prepare our star ingredient, the lychees. If you're using fresh ones, peel and remove the pits from about 8 to 10 lychees. Place them directly into your cocktail shaker. Gently muddle the lychees a few times. This releases their delicious juices and fragrant aroma, forming the perfect base for our cocktail. It's a simple step that makes a big difference. With the muddled lychees ready, it's time to add the other liquids. Pour in 2 ounces of vodka, 1 ounce of fresh lime juice, and a ½ ounce of simple syrup. Now, fill your shaker about 2/3 full with ice. Secure the lid tightly and shake vigorously for about 15 to 20 seconds. This ensures everything is well chilled and perfectly blended for optimal flavor. Finally, it's time to serve your delicious creation. Take a chilled martini or coupe glass and strain the cocktail into it, making sure to catch any pulp or ice. For a beautiful presentation, garnish with a fresh lychee on the rim or a thin lime wheel. Your easy, refreshing lychee cocktail is now ready to be enjoyed. Cheers to a delightful drink.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.